Introducing the all-new KX Series Multi-Head Embroidery Machine from SWF. Say hello to innovation and goodbye to frustration. SWF has raised the bar for embroidery once again by adding tons of new features. The KX Series features a 15-inch touchscreen operated panel with an upgraded interface for ease of use. SWF has reduced the size of the cylinder bed on the KX Series, allowing for easier embroidery on challenging items such as small pockets and socks. A brand new smart tension system automatically adjusts thread to the optimal tension by analyzing the stitch type, stitch length, and machine speed. This new technology completely eliminates the need for manual tension adjustments by the operator and allows the machine to produce a higher consistency than you've ever seen before. SWF has redesigned the presser foot on the KX Series to be adjustable, and it can now be raised or lowered automatically to fit the needs of your project. This feature allows for typically frustrating projects like 3D puff or thick jackets to be completed with consistency and ease. The Stitch Player function allows the user to simulate the design either by color or stitch number, making it easy to see the allocated colors or go directly to a certain point in the design down to the exact stitch. This machine comes equipped with the all-new EasyCap system, which requires no tools and makes switching between projects fast and easy. SWF has also reduced the space between the needle plate and cap frame, which greatly improves performance when embroidering on caps. The KX Series features the SWNS networking system, which allows users to wirelessly send designs to one or multiple machines. It also allows the user to monitor jobs as they progress and review data such as thread breaks, production rates, and much more. The all-new KX Series Multi-Head Embroidery Machine from SWF.